Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Nokia C21 Plus. First of all, open the top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down, find screen record button in this block and then press and hold like this and drag to top to add. And now click back to save for your editing, and when we add this button here, tap it, and before starting we got record audio option. First we got here a switcher that you can activate or disable this option, and now activate this, and for example if you want to change not microphone sound, only device sound, need to tap here and choose device audio. If here we got another option, device audio and microphone options only. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.